I have made a lot of gray lip products. Now, here's one, here's another, and another, and one of my favorite unreleased products. This is actually a balm. I know you know about this one. And one of the very first lipsticks that I ever made with Mob is actually M148. Not only was this the first like lipstick that we launched together with Internet Grunge, but this was one of the first things we made in the lab. There were very particular important things that I was like, I really would love to make this first. And my signature kind of gray lip was definitely on the top of the list. I won't be super secretive about this one, considering that you've seen not only the content in this one being made, but I've talked about this gray balm on stream so many times. I really treasure this little pan of it, but there's just something about gray and blue, but I think gray, like fundamentally, anytime that I've seen it in any kind of like animation or cartoon or movie or seen it in some kind of film on somebody, maybe there's like a villain character that has more of a corpse looking lip on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can distinctly remember a lip that I wore in 2013, and I honestly need to go and find it in my collection, but in the height of like the Tumblr era kind of like purpley tone lips, I got really obsessed with those as well. Girls, you know my Tumblr purple. I will never let that go. The gray specifically, I feel like more people are talking about right now, which makes me so excited because then that means we get more grays. I personally want to bring some of my unreleased shades out into the world because they're just really cool. They add an element of moodiness. Oftentimes I find that these like gray tones are really important in layering, but they add a veil, dude, and it's so good. Now those aren't the only unreleased gray things that I have, but those are probably the ones that you've seen the most in like little sneak peeks here and there, particularly this one. I know, I want it bad too. But I'm gonna do a little lip combo, because why not? This is my itty bitty baby M159. I'm gonna throw this on as like a base liner. This is so good. It's so, like, it's brown taupey, but it does have that gray in it, which I love. I remember being in the lab when they were launching these back in August of 2024. I was freaking out. I was like sweating, running around the lab. I was so excited about this. Mom, I'm so glad that you made 159. Clearly, I have like 4 of these, this size and smaller, just scattered about. God, I love that liner. This is a pencil that I added to my collection in 2025. This is the Krylon Face Liner pencil in the shade 11. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I'm just gonna use that to add a little bit more of that like charcoaliness, or like a more of like a slatiness. That's a little more blue in too. You see what I mean? Ooh. Then 148, and this has a lot of green. Oh, my baby. Love this lip. I will this lip means so much to me. A little more 11. Oh my god. And I might keep it there for now, although I usually would add like a little bit of black liner just for my corners. But yeah, anyway, I have a lot of like favorite grays that are like out there as well. One of them being Jessica's Haze Gloss. I think this is one of the most like stunning, like milky kind of glosses ever. This like is a nude for me. You know what I'm saying? Just in the center. I'm just gonna tap in the center. Just a little bit. Oh, and I think the thing that's important to remember about grays is that there's like a whole range. You can have sheer, you can have built up, you can have milky, you can have neutral, you can have cool tone, you can have warm tone. You can have ones that are a little more blue, a little more green, some with a little purple. Truly, truly, I personally cannot have enough of them. I feel like also because my whole life and decades of wearing makeup and searching out this kind of tone, a lot of them were not really done well. Now, some of these are very, very old, but I feel like the demand for moodier lips and grayer leaning lips is just high right now. Like, is that just me? I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna do some more roundups of like favorite lip liners that are gray toned. I have a lot of like core eyeshadows that are gray toned, that even just to like mix in, even to smoke out something. I'm telling you, dude, I'm telling you. Woo! Anyway, it's just something that I really love a lot. I always have, and it makes my heart so happy to see now people getting really excited. If you have any favorites, please leave them in the comments. I would love to know. And let me know if you want to see some of these in the future, because I sure would. Specifically this one, please. As always, thanks for being here and watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!